Investor Club members just called me today, and he said he just bought this business and he really wants to know, how do I grow the income? How do I create income expansion, reduce costs, increase margin? How do we increase the net bottom line pretty quickly? And I said, that's a great question. Hey, before we get to that question, if you want to know more on how to protect, grow and multiply your money, investing in businesses and commercial real estate, even if you have no time, then go check out The Game of Wealth. Now go on, smash that bell icon, give me some love. Now let's get back to that question. Hey, one of our private investor club members just called me today, and he said he just bought this business and he really wants to know, how do I grow the income? How do I create income expansion, reduce costs, increase margin? How do we increase the net bottom line pretty quickly? And I said, that's a great question, and kind of one word answer, but I'll extrapolate it on that. And the one word is partnerships. Now, what do I mean by partnerships? Well, everybody knows of John Lewis and Waitrose, and John Lewis and Waitrose is a partnership. What does that mean? It means every team member, everybody that works at a John Lewis store or a Waitrose store is actually a partnership, partner in that business. Now, partner in what? Well, you could be a partner in the income, or you could be a partner in the equity, the ownership, the capital, yeah? And the reason partnerships are such a great thing, such a great vehicle, like a bolt-on, is that you can increase the value of a business really, really quickly. You can increase the net bottom line, which obviously increases the profits, the distributable profits. That's not easy to say. So if it increases the bottom line, the profit, that obviously increases the value of the business. And what else does that do? It de-risks the whole business as well. And that's a wonderful trifecta there. So in terms of partnerships, it's a great vehicle. And indeed, John Spaden Lewis, the founder of John Lewis, started this over 100 years ago. And all his thousands of team are actually partners in the business now. Now, he thought of this over 100 years ago, and today is still an incredible vehicle to add on to your business group structure. Now, there are obviously big advantages as well. There's a cash flow advantage. Why? Because a partnership is taxed differently to a company. And not only is taxed differently, the time of when you pay that tax is different as well, which creates an enormous cash flow benefit for business owners. And it also creates a cash buildup as well, which is quite nice because you can enjoy that with your team, your fellow partners in the business. So if there's benefits of cash flow, cash buildup, bottom line profit increasing, which increases the value, it really is something that you want to look at. But the biggest key thing is the ethos, the culture of community, the culture of the connectivity and the community that you create when you bring your team into being a partner in either the income, the equity, or both. If you want to learn how to do this and how to do it in a legal and compliant way, then you know what, jump into the Game of Wealth Accelerator. Welcome. I'm Dan Taylor. I look forward to having a chat with you soon.